If you're over 40, you already know that style is less about trends and more about refinement. But here's the truth, even the most classic piece, like a polo shirt, can make or break your look depending on how you wear it. In today's video, we're breaking down the biggest polo shirt mistakes that are quietly aging men over 40 and how to fix each one with simple, powerful adjustments. Stick around to the end because we'll uncover the key details that separate timeless confidence from sloppy casual. One mistake: wearing the wrong fit polo, one of the most common polo shirt. Mistakes men over 40 make is wearing a poor fit. A polo that's too tight highlights areas you don't want to emphasize, while an oversized one looks sloppy and dated. The perfect polo should lightly contour your torso, not cling to it. The sleeve hem should hit mid-bicep, and the shoulder seams must align perfectly. A modern fit flatters your physique, adds structure, and keeps you looking sharp. Remember, fit is the first signal of taste and confidence. Two mistake: ignoring fabric quality. Too many men settle for cheap polyester blends that look shiny and suffocating. The best polos are made from breathable, natural fibers like cotton, piqué, jersey cotton, or merino wool. These fabrics drape better, keep you cool, and age gracefully. Quality fabric isn't about showing off, it's about refinement and comfort. When your polo moves naturally with you, it communicates quiet confidence. Synthetic materials may save money, but cost you sophistication. Three mistake: leaving collar careless. The collar is the anchor of your polo structure, yet it's often neglected. Curled or floppy collars instantly make your look appear lazy and outdated. The solution: a structured collar that maintains its shape. Modern polos with hidden buttons or collar stays keep everything crisp. When your collar stands neatly, it sharpens your faceline and gives balance to your outfit. Think of it as your first impression point. Effortless, but intentional. Four mistake: overly bright or loud colors. Loud neon polos might work for college kids, but they overwhelm mature men. As you age, subtlety becomes sophistication. Stick to earthy tones, soft neutrals, or deep jewel shades, colors that enhance your skin tone and reflect confidence, not desperation. A muted palette blends seamlessly into versatile outfits, giving you that quietly refined look modern style demands. Let the color support your presence, not compete with it. 5. Mistake: wearing it untucked always. While untucked polos can look relaxed, they often shorten your frame and create imbalance if too long. The trick is proportion. If your polo extends past mid-zipper length, tuck it in slightly or opt for a shorter cut. Tucking neatly into well-fitted trousers instantly adds sophistication. It's a subtle move that separates sharp dressers from casual ones. Balance comfort with intention. A clean line at the waist defines your silhouette like nothing else. Six. Mistake: wearing logos that scream. Large logos used to be a status symbol. Today, they just look try-hard. Men over 40 should embrace minimal branding. It shows confidence that doesn't need validation. Subtlety communicates maturity. Choose polos with small, discreet embroidery or none at all. This clean aesthetic lets your outfit speak through fit, fabric, and color, not a loud label. A refined man knows that understated details are far more powerful than flashy symbols. Seven. Mistake: forgetting sleeve fit. Loose, baggy polo sleeves make your arms look smaller and your style outdated. Conversely, overly tight sleeves feel uncomfortable and exaggerated. The perfect fit hugs your biceps slightly while allowing movement. It should emphasize shape, not strain. Tailored sleeves instantly sharpen your upper body proportions and give your look athletic balance. Every stylish man understands, sleeves are not a detail. They're a silent signal of refinement. Eight. Mistake: not considering collar type. Different collar styles change the mood of your outfit. A classic ribbed collar gives casual polish, while a spread or Johnny collar leans toward refined leisure. Many men over 40 ignore this, defaulting to the same tired look. Experiment with structured open collars that frame your face and bring a touch of Riviera sophistication. The goal isn't to chase trends, it's to show depth in your style choices. Nine. Mistake: ignoring layering potential. A polo isn't just a summer shirt, it's a layering essential. Men often skip pairing it with lightweight overshirts, knit cardigans, or unstructured blazers. Layering adds dimension and visual interest without heavy fabrics. The secret is to balance tones and textures for harmony. A polo under a thin jacket can easily turn a plain outfit into a masterclass of relaxed sophistication. 10. Mistake: choosing the wrong neckline depth. The neckline defines how modern your polo feels. Too high, and it looks dated and stiff. Too low, and it feels juvenile. The sweet spot: 2 buttons undone, enough to elongate the neck and frame your face naturally. This balance gives relaxed confidence and draws attention upwards subtly. Always make sure the placket sits flat and doesn't gap. Precision here is what separates casual from careless. Mistake: wearing polos that are too long, when your polo drapes halfway down your thighs. It throws off your body proportions and instantly adds visual weight. The right polo should end mid-fly or just below your belt line. It defines your frame and elongates your legs naturally. Many men over 40 ignore this, assuming longer means safer. In reality, it makes you look shorter and sloppy. A clean, well-fitted hem signals discipline and understanding of balance, to traits every well-dressed man should master. Mistake: cheap fabrics that lose shape. A polo made from poor quality cotton or synthetic blends quickly loses its crisp shape after a few washes. It wrinkles, fades, and clings awkwardly to the body. The fastest way to look untidy. Men over 40 should prioritize structured fabrics: Pima cotton, mercerized cotton, or linen cotton blends. These materials breathe, drape elegantly, and maintain form. Think of fabric as your silent signature. It's how your clothes whisper refinement without saying a word. Mistake: overlooking subtle patterns. Solid polos are timeless, but texture and pattern can elevate your casual rotation. Many men stick to plain colors, fearing prints will look loud. The trick is subtlety. Fine stripes, micro-peak weaves, or tone-in-tone patterns add depth without distraction. These details create visual sophistication and make even simple outfits appear intentional. Small style risks like this separate well-dressed from forgettable. Mistake: treating polos as just casual. A polo can shift from casual to elegant depending on styling. Men over 40 often pigeonhole it as weekend wear, missing its versatility. Pairing a polo with smart trousers or layering under an unlined blazer transforms it into a refined, smart casual essential. The magic lies in balance: relaxed top, structured bottom, cohesive tone. It's how men in Milan or Paris make simplicity look sophisticated. 15. Mistake: ignoring seasonal fabrics. Wearing thick peak polos in early autumn or polyester ones in humid weather instantly disrupts comfort and style. Mature dressing means knowing how fabric works with climate. Lightweight cotton linen blends or bamboo knits transition smoothly between temperatures, keeping you cool while maintaining shape. It's not just about looking good, it's about looking effortless because you feel good. True elegance is comfort disguised as confidence.
Every detail in your outfit sends a message, from the fabric of your polo to how it fits your frame. Mastering these small refinements is what sets modern men apart after 40. If you found today's breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Because each week, we dive deep into the style principles that keep you looking sharp, relevant, and effortlessly confident. Drop a comment below on which mistake you've been guilty of, and let's elevate your wardrobe together.